Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope we're all well. So today I've got an easy tutorial of how you can make your own cleanser or exfoliator right from your kitchen. Stay tuned.
Deep within, here we go, but somehow I'm caught in the middle. Is this the end before we've even begun? Should I work against the flow? A drop in the ocean so endless, reaching for our moments miles above. I just need one. My breath, looking up, life moves in waves that keeps changing. Catch a glimpse of what was you and me. It's gone again, sinking in, back on the shore, one foot in front of the other. Close my eyes and feel you hold my hand just like you.
So with the paste that you've already made, you just put a bit of some water on your face so that you're not putting the paste on dry skin, all right? And then you just go ahead and apply the paste, rubbing in circular motion. And you just have to do this for 1 minute. When you're done, you then just rinse off. So you have to rinse thoroughly to make sure that you've removed all the paste. and then you can just go ahead and pat dry. And this is it. This is how you cleanse your face using baking soda. As you can see, it's very good. The pores have really opened up, and I can really feel my face, you know, soft and fresh. I think this is actually very, very good, you know, compared to the products that we buy in the shops. I think this is an excellent way of exfoliating, and this is low budget but also very, very effective. All right, okay guys, I hope you're happy. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please go ahead and subscribe, so that we can share together a lot of other amazing tutorials that we can do for our face, our hair, the rest of the body on low budget. I did another tutorial on how you can get rid of cracked heels, you know, rough skin, dead skin on your feet. So you can also scroll and you find that tutorial. It's a very, very good one, and the results are amazing. All right, till next time, see you later.